Do you want to know how you can show your balance on the top panel on Melbet? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can show your balance on the top panel on your Melbet account. So go ahead and open Melbet, which is on your PC, or go ahead and search for melbet.in on your browser and log into your account. The next step is to hover around your profile and go to account settings. After you go to account settings, you can see under the account section, so balance on top panel, it is currently turned off, so go ahead and click on this box. Click OK and you can see your current balance over here, and you can also select your currency if you have added those. So what you need to do is open Melbet, log into your account, hover around your profile and click on account settings. After you click on account settings, click on show balance on top panel once again, and you can see that it is turned off. Go ahead and click on it, click OK, and then you can see that your balance has been shown on the top panel of your screen. I hope this video about how you can show balance on the top panel of your Melbet account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.